Alright, gotta check some comments today. Might as well, pretty boring day. No, it can't be. No, I don't even look like Gallagher. I mean, no way. Oh, no, I'm not Gallagher. There's no way. No way, not me. Oh, I gotta get something to eat. Oh, maybe some food will clear my nerves. Who in the hell put this here? No, I hate watermelons. I hate watermelons. No, God, no, watermelon. Oh, God. Oh, jeez, no, fuck, oh, jeez. I'm not Gallagher. I don't even like watermelon. I can't be him. What does a skeleton order when he goes to the bar? A beer and a mop. Ah! Right, what do you call maple syrup with a speech impediment? Mrs. Stuttersworth. Oh! Why do melons have weddings? Because they can't elope! That's it. I'm no longer John Barons anymore. I'm changing my name to Gallagher. I'm becoming who I really am. I'm Gallagher now. Okay, all right, fine. I'll cut my mullet. What's up, guys? How's it going? It's been a while, I'm not gonna lie. You know, I've been kind of trying to search for a job that I can't seem to find, so if it looks different, it's because I'm actually up in Minnesota. Yeah, no, I came up here to kind of relax, you know. There's a nice lake behind me, and I was like, you know, if I'm on a lake, I'm gonna need a little boat. And I'm like, you know what I need then? A motor. And so that is where this one comes in. Right there. So what we got here is a 1960s, 70s little 3-horse. Little bitty guy. Little guy right there, you know, little 3-horse. Hasn't ran in a couple years. So definitely gonna try and get her running here for you guys. Don't know really much about her. Pretty sure she's 2-stroke. Most boat motors are, especially small ones. But yeah, I'm gonna put it on a little canoe for me and a gal pal of mine. So yeah, should be fun. So let's dig into this thing. So first things first, I'm gonna try and do is I'm gonna actually pull her through, see if she's, you know, not stuck. Oh, well, she pulls through, so no, she's not stuck. What I'm going to do now is I'll probably, now that I know that she's not stuck, probably take off my recoil, then take off my 2 side panels here, where I can get to, you know, the carburetor and the spark plugs and see if I have spark. Let's smell the gas here. Let's see what that smells like. I'm going to see, oh, she's full. Oh, well, that ain't good. Well, whew, I don't even need to get my nose by it. Alright, well, anyways. Oh, actually smells kind of good. Alright, anyways, after that, and now that I'm seeing, you know, butterflies and daisies, we're gonna put that back on there, and, we're gonna take her apart, see what we can do. I saw that the fuel was a little bit red. So maybe somebody put stabilize in this before they put it away, or they just used red 2-stroke oil, or they got confused and put transmission fluid in it. Either or, we're gonna figure it out. She'll buff up. I think she's gonna be a real pretty machine. You know, once I give the good turd a polish. So yeah, let's take these things off. Alright, so I figured out that she, is free moving, free turning. You can turn it by turning it down here after you take off your what's it called, majiggy, or you pulley McGee. Recoil, that's the word I'm looking for. Gosh, I'm smart when I can be. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if we got spark. Alright, so let's check for spark and see if we got any. I got spark on one, I think, but not the other. I hear it. Oh, alright, so I got spark on one of the cylinders, so I'm going to mess around with my points and see if I can get them both to start sparking for you. Okay, so I'm trying to get to the, points, and I can't really get to the points because I don't have my flywheel puller with me, so I came up with this idea. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the nut on kind of like this, and then I'm going to make a flywheel pulley myself by putting this on top, and then I'm going to drill out right on those corners, and I'm going to put a couple like long bolts in, and then what I'll do is I'll tighten those very slowly around, and then what it's going to do is it's going to maybe hopefully pull that up. I really wish I had a flywheel puller, but I don't, so we'll just have to see what I can come up with. I'll let you know. Alright, pretty proud of myself, pretty proud. When a redneck needs to do something, he will find a way, even if he has to make his own tool. And I'm actually pretty dang proud of this one. I shouldn't be too proud yet, but I have a feeling it's going to work. So let me show you what I got here. So, what I did was I took a big washer, real thick one, nice, thick, hefty boy, and I cut 3 little, notches in it, so it kind of looks just kind of like a little saw blade, kind of, with like a notch here, notch here, notch here, notch here. And then I put my screws through it with another washer here to help push down, and then I'm going to go around and slowly but surely tighten these up, and hopefully it pops that bad boy off there. But yeah, look at that. Pretty dang proud of myself. Go John. Alright, so that one has spark. And then, if you take this one, oh, hold on. Come on, Malf. Alright. That one has spark too, so we have spark on both of them now, which is amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go through and I'm going to clean out my carburetor, clean my carburetor up. I'm going to flush the tank out because it has old gas in it, put new gas in it and mix it, and then put it back together and pull her through and see if she runs. But also before that, I'm going to go down here and down on the bottom base here. Oh, don't knock anything over. I got an oil level that I need to check. So I'm going to check that and do all that stuff. And then she should be ready to go in like a day. So hopefully, at least. But yeah, so let me get some of this stuff going. So I'm actually going to apologize because I don't have any of my recording stuff up here. So shut up, door. So yeah, it might be a little shaky at times and I feel bad, but what are you going to do? What are you going to do? You know what I mean? Sometimes you're the nail, and sometimes you're the hammer. I don't know. I'm not a poet. I just sometimes fix stuff. All right. Well, I got my carburetor off, and I'm gonna go through that and clean her up because I actually checked and asked the guy who owns this when the last time this was ran, and he said 1984. Was the last time that this boat motor ran. So I'm not good at math, but I mean, somebody do the math and drop it in the comments because that's a lot of years. My dad graduated in 84, so yeah, and he's 55 now? Yeah, so anyways, long time ago. So we're going to put this to good use, actually get this engine running again and put it back out on the water. So, but yeah. Yeah, it's coming along just fine. Not a lot of light in here, which, sorry, see if I can brighten it up just a tad bit. Yeah, not a lot of light in here. So I'm going to actually take this carburetor in where I can see it a little better, or do it on my tailgate. So, alright, let you know when I get done. So it's starting to get to nighttime, or at least dusk. And I got everything pretty much polished up. I got my carburetor cleaned and back on. So that's pretty neat, you know. Just, you know, carburetor stuff. Anyways, but yeah, got it nice and polished up a little bit. You know, Evinrude just looking gorgeous. Just looking gorgeous. It's gonna look great on the back of this canoe. So, but yeah, I think tomorrow I need to get a hose and a what else do I need? I needed a hose and something else, but I can't remember. But anyways, I'll let you know tomorrow. I'm gonna go to the store and get some of that stuff. So, but yeah, we will continue. Alright, well, I'm going to see if I can get this engine to pop off and see if we can go for a little ride. Hasn't ran in 40 years. So let's see here. Little choke on her. Oh, she wants to.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I was pulling her through, wasn't getting her to pop off. Took my spark plugs out because I was like, alright, well, let's see if it's flooded or if it's getting any fuel. And wasn't flooded, completely dry. So that told me that my carburetor wasn't actually getting any gas into it. And so what I did was hold on. So what I did was I took off that little screw right down there, and realized that there wasn't any gas in my bowl. So what I did after that was I took my bowl off and I fixed the float. So what was happening was the bowl was pushing the float up too high, and it was turning my gas off because it was pushing the needle up into the seat before any gas could get into the bowl. So fun. So yeah, now we're gonna try again and give her another rip and see if she comes back to life. She wants to run on choke for some reason, so. For some reason she wants to run, It's like that little, like turbo. I just, you know, put it into turbo mode every time I pull the choke out and push it back in. Go across the way and we'll see you when we meet our destination. Got her running. So now that I got the engine running really nice and good, I'm actually going to take her out and I'm going to go fishing with it. I mean, that's the best way to use this canoe and engine. So I'm going to go out on the lake today, try and catch a few, I don't know, catch anything that bites, really. I mean, that's what it's all about. It's just going out and having fun. Like, look at the view behind me. Just absolutely gorgeous. So I just want to say sorry if I haven't been making videos a lot. I mean, I've got a lot of things going on in my life right now, job searching and stuff. Somebody actually sent me a job that was down in Missouri, a police officer position. So whoever sent that in the mail, thank you so much. I'm gonna have to decline because it's nowhere near home, but I really appreciate that and really appreciate your guys' support through this whole thing. And hopefully I can get back into making videos a little more, but I've just kind of been busy, and coming up to Minnesota has been taking a little bit of my time too, not gonna lie. So, but yeah, so let's get to fishing, and then also I'll show you a little bit more about the engine, and then I'm gonna call it on the video. So, once again, thanks guys. Thanks for everything, for following this channel and everything. If you like this content, like and subscribe below, and I'll get more going your way, hopefully. So, let's get to fishing. Alright, so I got my first catch of the day. Nice size, man. Like, nice size bluegill. Definitely, you know, if I catch a little more of these guys, I might decide to cook them up and eat them. I don't know. Catch, clean, cook on a restoration channel? I don't know. We'll have to see. So, but yeah, I think I'm going to let him go. He's a nice chunker, though. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Yeah. Bye, buddy. Bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad. Alright, there's a reason why you kiss the fish, and it's for good luck. Look at that big boy. Oh yeah, he's a big one. He's doing good. Oh yeah, that's a good fish right there. That's a nice bass. Gonna put him over the tackle bar and kind of let you see it. That's a big boy right there. Alright, well I should get him back in the water, but yeah, that's a good fish. Gotta kiss him. Gotta kiss him for good luck. Oh. Got another chunker. Woo! Down to the depths she goes, boys. Oh, you know, I'm out on the lake. It's nice degree weather, you know. Pretty warm. So I was like, hey, there's a rope swing out here. So I'm gonna go hit it. I don't know if I can zoom in that far, but it's on that island. And I don't think you guys can see it, but it's there. So I'm gonna go over that island and jump off the rope swing. All right, this is dangerous because, you know, A, I don't have anybody to hold my phone, and B, I don't want to lose my phone. So I'm gonna try and pull start this guy one-handed. See how good she goes. Maybe give her a little choke, and maybe a little bit more start. Oh, come on. There we go! Yeah, boys! Let's go! So there's the rope swing, all our glory. I'm gonna get the thing set up. I'm gonna land my canoe right about there. It's a little more windier than I thought today. I think I'm gonna wear my life jacket on the way back. When I was up near shore, it wasn't that bad, but I think open water, I'm gonna wear my life jacket. So yeah, I'm gonna go and jump off this rope swing. Let's go! Well, I am currently on my way back to Davenport, Iowa. Finished up fishing yesterday and then kind of just got busy doing my own stuff and forgot to record an outro to this, you know, video. Like I said, go like and subscribe to this channel, and also go and like and subscribe to other channels like Junkyard Digs, Junkyard Mook, Thunderhead 289, Cars and Cameras, Angus Wacker Garage, Wacky Wacker Garage, pretty sure. But yeah, so thank you, and like always, until next time.